Hello and welcome to a new video. Today is going to be a good one as I am sharing my experience trying out the DJI Mini 3 Pro as a part of the SkyPixel product tryout program. So before I show you what comes in the box when you order the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the Fly More kit, let's look at some of the footage I got with it in the past week and a half trying it out. So all of that was shot on this tiny little drone. Pretty crazy, right? And because it's still under 250 grams, for me in Europe for instance, it means you can fly it without a certificate and with the least amount of limitations by drone laws. Probably making it the perfect drone for loads of people. So let's go over what you get when you order a DJI Mini 3 Pro with a Fly More kit. First off, when you open the box, there's a drone. Let's get it out of the bag and take a closer look at it. The most important things to look at are the upgraded camera, giving the opportunity to take 48 megapixel photos and shoot 4K HDR video, 4K at 60 frames per second and 1080p at 120 frames per second. The new gimbal, offering true vertical shooting, perfect for social media like Instagram, TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and shooting at a max up tilt of 60 degrees, which opens up the way to more creative shots. And last but not least, the obstacle avoidance sensors, making flying the drone safer as well as giving it access to all sorts of intelligent flight modes like live track, master shots and hyperlapse. I will show you some examples of that after we check out the DJI RC controller and the Fly More kit. So along with the drone in the Pro Pack you get the DJI RC, a beautiful controller with a built-in screen, so no more hassling with your phone. The screen has a brightness of 700 nits, making it perfectly visible in all situations I came across. Another feature worth mentioning is the second scroll wheel on the top of the controller. You can use that to easily control zooming in and out of your shots. And like always, there's also a little pack in there containing manuals, USB cable, some props and a screwdriver. Let's quickly go over what you get in the Fly More kit so we can get to more example footage of all those intelligent flight modes. So basically you get the main parts you always get in a Fly More kit. A bag to carry around your drone, a charging hub with the capability to charge 3 batteries in a row, 2 extra batteries, a USB cable and some extra props to finish it up. And that's it. That's all you get and probably all you're ever going to need. Now let's enjoy some of the footage I got using the intelligent flight modes to close this thing off. Let's go!